Good morning, everyone. I'd like to introduce our speaker, Anil Bhatnagar. And Anil is a corporate trainer to over 125 companies in India, the Middle East, and the United States. He's also visiting faculty to several management institutes, is an award-winning author of 5 books, and a newspaper columnist with over 50 published articles. He's a keen student of the neuroscience of the unconscious drivers of human behavior. And he's appeared on television as an expert on behavioral issues. He's written leading articles for Covey Leadership Centers magazine in the United States and Life Positive in India. He's a graduate of the Indian Institute of Technology, that's in New Delhi in 1979, and worked as a civil engineer before quitting his job in 2001 to follow his calling. So thanks, Anil, for joining us.
Thank you so much, Diane. I will begin with an activity. Imagine that you are holding a 2.5 feet long rod, the other end of which is hinged at the floor level by the side of your seat. Now, this rod can only be moved in a vertical plane, either towards you or away from you. So after a few slides, I'll get you ready and show you some visuals on the screen, one after the other. The moment you see the visual on the screen, within a split second, you will move this imaginary handle whichever way you feel like. That is, either push it away from you or pull it towards you. Thinking is prohibited for this activity. This is not an intelligence test. Just let your impulse guide you.
Anil, I'm the perfect person for this activity.
So when you push it away, write push in the chat box, and when you pull it towards you, you write pull. So now get ready and hold your fist in the neutral position. Hold it. Just do it physically. Push. I want you to enjoy this activity. So actually hold your hand like this in a neutral position, and let us become kids once again and enjoy this activity and keep it in the neutral position, ready to be pulled or pushed. So are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, all of you are ready? Okay, now I'm going to show you the visuals. Your impulse was to pull it or to push it, but you actually do it. And you have to let your impulse guide you, let your impulse decide you whether you want to push it or pull it. And whatever the case may be, you write in the chat box, pull it. Have you pulled it or pushed it? Quickly. And write in the chat box, please.
A lot of pulls, 1 push, 2 pushes.
Okay, fine. So get ready for the next one. Pull or push?
Lots of pulls, 1 push.
Lots of pulls. How many push?
1 push, 2 push.
Okay.
The rest are all pulls.
So let's go to the next one now. Push or pull?
Push.
So majority is push.
Oh my goodness.
One is push. Okay, fine. That happens. So you saw this, that most of us are hardwired to behave in a certain manner. And this is because we have common prehistoric ancestors from whom the impulses have been passed on to us genetically as biochemistry. And we will talk about this a little later. Just this activity you did is in fact an incredibly powerful neuroscientific tool.